My name's Ann Thalheimer, and I will be teaching the graphic forms, aka graphic storytelling, aka comic books, part of the first Young Writers Workshop at Yale. And I'm really excited to teach this, not just because it's brand new, but because it's going to really change how we think about storytelling, particularly in a medium that uses images and text in really different and, I think, innovative, fun ways. So the workshop, it's virtual. It'll be from July 10th through the 15th, and it's for rising sophomores, juniors, and seniors between the ages of 16 and 18. You can check out more about the program at summer.yale.edu or check out the link below to learn more. But if you are a graphic novel fan, if you're a comic book fan, if you want to learn more about storytelling in ways that are unique and image-based, have a look. Hope to see you there.